Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going down the styling route again, but we've picked a theme. We're going with a Parisian style. So we all know what we mean when we say that. You probably have an idea in your head already. And no, we're not gonna do the classic beret, striped top, holding a baguette, I promise. But what we're doing is, it's a bit of a twist this time. We are so happy and so grateful to be actually styling with clothes from the amazing shop in Beverly, Aura. We're so grateful, and honestly their stuff is to die for. So we chose them out together, styled them out, and let's have a little look. Okay, so look number one, daytime. So imagine yourself in Paris, for example, walking around, taking a picture in front of the Eiffel Tower, having a little coffee, pastry, dip it in, the classic. So I've decided to go down the route of it being a little bit warmer because we're all hoping for it right now. Imagining myself out and about, so I decided to go with this gorgeous green smock dress. What I love about this dress is it feels so comfortable, the feel of it so lightweight and easy to wear, but it's got the lovely pleats at the bottom, so it's got a gorgeous finishing, and it feels very feminine and beautiful, and I feel elegant in it, even though it's an easy wear, without me feeling constricted, because if you're imagining yourself out and about, you really don't want anything too tight on. I've paired this though with classic white trainers, really catches it down, easy comfort, we're being realistic here, and a really cool actually cord bomber jacket. I wouldn't actually usually wear something like this, but when I did see it in Aura, I just thought it really brightened up the outfit, was very smart, because I do know that Parisian style is actually a lot smarter. So it does definitely do that to the outfit. I, of course, have paired this with an absolute banger of a Celine sunglass. So what I love about this frame, it's a gorgeous, warm, dark taut, which I think can be really lovely on a lot of skin tones in comparison to the lot lighter tauts. It adds a lot of definition to the face, especially with the cat eye shape. What I love about the cat eye shape is it does remind me of that kind of Parisian style. They tend to wear frames that are a little bit petiter, a little bit more understated, but it adds a lot of structure to the face. It's really easy wear, you could pop it on every day, but it's extremely fashion forward as well. Love it. Fabulous. First look. Okay, so look number two. We're going out for dinner. We're going for that classic, sleek, good-looking pantsuit. So this suit, blazer and pantsuit is to die for. It's your classic, gorgeous shape. But what's different about it that I love, it's blue. The color is just absolutely stunning and really just adds a little bit of a different variation to the classic suit. It's really nice. It's not fully tailored, but it fits lovely. And it's a wide leg trouser as well, which is quite nice too. I've paired this with a simple black cami, easy to wear, silk, very light, soft in feel. And of course, my darlings, I had to pair this with a Chanel. I could not put a Chanel sunglass in this video, especially with the heritage, the fashion house, Coco Chanel herself. So this is an absolutely beautiful classic dark black frame. It's nice and petite, sharp in color, sharp in shape, with the nice cat eye, and you can't miss that gorgeous pearl detailing down the side of the frame. It just adds that extra bit of accessory that, to be honest, you just can't go amiss. It's a beautiful outfit, really pairs well together. I feel really sophisticated in it, which is quite nice. And I can definitely imagine myself going out for dinner in Paris with this. Love it. Okay, so for our third and final look, we're going out for drinks. So I've gone a little bit wilder, as you can tell. So I've gone for a really, really nicely shaped halter neck top. This is gorgeous because it's lovely in silk, again, really comfortable. But as you can tell by the pattern, the leopard print, my God, it is eye-catching, but still very, very sophisticated and classy. And I have actually done this with a matching trouser. What I love about this pair, it's a pair match made in heaven. It's very, very comfortable, but extremely fun. And of course, I could not wear a gorgeous white, crisp white blazer. The feel of this is just absolutely stunning, honestly. The way this goes together is amazing, and I would definitely feel comfortable going out for drinks in this. But the frame is actually a Bottega Veneta. It's not obvious with it looking a little bit more simple, but I really wanted to pop in a rimless there. I thought it's easy to wear on an evening, and with it being a lot lighter and not as heavy as an acetate. So easy rimless, you could go for drinks, to the bar, to the club, but it's gorgeous. I especially like the gold in the metalwork as well, because I have matched that with the accessories. So it's an easy, lightweight frame, but extremely, extremely stylish. Love it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and listen, please get in touch. We love to hear from you. If you like any of the frames, just let Amy know. She will sort you out. We will leave all her details in the bio, and we have to say a massive, massive thank you to the amazing Aura for dressing us for this amazing, stylish trip to Paris. Don't forget to follow us on all of our socials, our Instagram, our Facebook, and follow and like and comment on our YouTube. We love to hear from you, and we will see you next time.